and welcome. This is Paweł from Coding Jam Session. Today we're going to talk about array.forEach function, which is a powerful tool for iterating through arrays in JavaScript. Let's start by understanding the basic syntax of array.forEach. The syntax is quite simple. You call the forEach method on an array and pass a callback function as an argument. This callback function will be executed for each element in the array. Now, let's see how the forEach function compares to the traditional for loop. In this example, we have an array of numbers and we want to log each of the numbers to the console. As you can see, with a for loop, we need to manage the index and access each element manually. Not to mention this long and painful index iteration line. However, with forEach, the process is simplified. We simply call forEach on the array and pass a callback function. The callback function receives the current element as its argument. It's nice, clean, and neat solution that handles looping through an array. Although forEach allows us to pass two optional arguments, that's going to be index of an element and reference to the array, I would say that when modifying an array, there's better methods provided by JavaScript, like filter or map function. So if you want to learn more about those, feel free to check out my other videos. That's it for today's quick tutorial, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe for more content.